How to make a bug viewer for mini-beasts. On-screen text reads what you need: cups, graph paper, scissors, tape, pen, glue, cling film. Step 1. Cut. Carefully pierce one cup at the bottom. Cut around the base. Trim any loose edges. Step 2. Wrap. Place a small square of cling film over the gap. Tape around the edge. Step 3. Draw. Draw round the other cup. Cut out the circle. Glue to the bottom of that cup. Step 4. Slide. Slide the second cup into the first to create your own bug viewer. Step 5. Collect. Carefully place an insect in cup 1. Slide the second cup in, turn over and observe. Step 6. Record. Record your observations. Step 7. Return. Safely return the insect to the place where you found it. Credits over still image of a woodlouse.